Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI. This is my new favorite tea. These are tea bags and it's dandelion root. It's organic and it's by Cedarburg Tea Company. This is really high quality tea and I absolutely love the bag. I like that it stays nice and sealed, and the actual individual tea bags are also really nice as well. These tea bags are great. They're not bleached and they don't use any glue or adhesive to keep them shut. They're really good quality. I find that the taste of this tea is kind of like a nutty flavor. It's not sweet, but it's really nice. The actual bags are 100% compostable as well. And dandelion root just has so many health benefits. So not only does it taste great, but it's also good for you. And it's no surprise that this tea is 100% organic as well. If you're looking for a healthy tea that has a nice nutty flavor, super good quality, try this dandelion root tea. I love it, and I know you will too. That's my point of view.